Greetings and welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for self-improvement and personal development tips. Here we believe in the power of the mind and the potential for transformation that lies within each of us. This channel is dedicated to helping you become the best version of yourself, one step, one day at a time. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of brain hacks. We're not talking about magic tricks or quick fixes, but real, scientifically proven methods that can help you break bad habits that have been holding you back. We've compiled a list of 10 effective strategies to rewire your brain and take control of your life. From visualization to positive reinforcement, mindfulness, and even self-talk, we'll explore how you can harness the power of your mind to create lasting change. Are you ready to unlock the power of your mind and break free from your bad habits? Then stay tuned. Starting with hack number 10, visualization. Imagine you're a painter, but your canvas is your mind. Visualization is the art of creating vivid mental images of your goals, which in this case is the successful elimination of a bad habit. It's like a rehearsal, only in your mind's eye. You see yourself steering clear of the habit you want to break, and in turn, this helps reinforce your resolve to make it a reality. Let's say you're trying to quit smoking. Visualize yourself saying no to a cigarette offered at a party. Picture the pride swelling in your chest as you make that healthier choice. Feel the freedom of no longer being shackled by the need for nicotine. This technique works wonders because your brain often cannot tell the difference between what is real and what is vividly imagined. Remember, the mind struggles to differentiate between reality and imagination, making visualization a powerful tool. Moving to hack number 9, positive reinforcement. This hack guides us in the direction of rewarding ourselves for progress, a method that has been scientifically proven to reinforce good habits. Picture this: you're training a dog to sit. The moment the dog sits down, you reward it with a treat. The dog quickly learns that sitting equals a treat, and voila, a new habit is formed. The same principle applies to us humans. Every time we make progress, rewarding ourselves reinforces the good behavior and encourages us to repeat it. It could be as simple as enjoying a cup of your favorite tea after a productive work session, or treating yourself to a movie night after a week of consistent exercise. The key is to celebrate your small wins and use them as fuel to push forward. So don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. Hack number 8 is mindfulness and meditation. This is a powerful tool that can give you control over your mind and your actions. You see, mindfulness is all about being fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing. It's about not being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. This can be particularly useful when trying to break bad habits. On the other hand, meditation is about training your mind, similar to how fitness is an approach to training the body. Regular meditation can help reduce stress, increase focus, and promote a better sense of well-being. Combined with mindfulness, it can help you gain a better understanding of your habits, making it easier to change them. So, consider setting aside some time each day for mindfulness and meditation. It might be a little challenging at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Meditation not only helps to relax your mind, but also makes you more aware of your actions and choices. Hack number 7 is all about replacing bad habits with good ones. To change a habit, you don't just stop, you substitute. It's a bit like learning to ride a bike. You don't just forget how to ride the old one, you learn to ride a new one better. This strategy works because our brains are wired to establish patterns of behavior. Once a habit is formed, it's tough to break. Imagine your habit is a well-trodden path through a forest. Each time you walk that path, it becomes more defined, easier to follow. To forge a new path, you must repeatedly walk it until it becomes as clear as the old one. That's the essence of replacing a bad habit with a good one. It's not about eradicating the old, it's about creating the new, and as you persistently tread this new path, the old one naturally fades away. Always remember, nature abhors a vacuum. Don't just eliminate a habit, replace it. Coming in at number 6 is self-talk. This hack is all about harnessing the power of the words you say to yourself. The internal dialogue you carry on with yourself each day has a profound impact on your behavior, your decisions, and your overall outlook on life. Positive self-talk is a powerful tool for breaking bad habits. When you consistently tell yourself that you can overcome a certain habit, your mind starts to believe it. You begin to see yourself as someone capable of change, someone who can break the chains of negative patterns and replace them with healthier ones. The key here is to be mindful of the language you use. Avoid negative phrases like "I can't" or "I always fail." Instead, use empowering words such as "I can" and "I'm capable." Remember, the words you say to yourself shape your reality. Your words have power. Make sure they are uplifting and empowering. Halfway there with hack number 5, accountability. Now, what does this mean exactly? Well, accountability is all about having someone to answer to. It's having a person, a group, or even a system that holds you responsible for your actions, particularly those actions that relate to your bad habits. You see, when we know someone is watching, when we know we'll have to explain our actions, it adds an extra layer of motivation to stay on track. Imagine you're trying to quit smoking, and you've told your best friend about your goal. Every time you reach for a cigarette, you'll think about having to admit that to your friend. That extra moment of hesitation might be all you need to put the cigarette down. Accountability can be incredibly powerful in breaking bad habits. It's not about guilt or shame, but about harnessing the power of social expectations to drive positive change. Remember, shared goals are achieved goals. Moving along to hack number 4, habit tracking. It's like a diary for your personal patterns, a powerful tool that allows you to understand your habits better. By keeping an eye on your daily routines, you can clearly see what you're doing right and where you might be going off track. Imagine you're trying to cut down on your coffee intake. By tracking your coffee habits, you can see exactly when you're most likely to reach for that cup and then use this information to create strategies to avoid doing so. Habit tracking also provides a tangible record of your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator to keep going. And it's not just about breaking bad habits, it's also about forming good ones. By tracking your positive habits, you can reinforce them and make them a more integral part of your daily life. As the saying goes, what gets measured gets managed. Getting closer to the top with hack number 3, setting clear goals. Goals are like compasses. They guide us in the direction we want to go. When we have a clear goal, it's easier to stay focused and motivated, especially when it comes to breaking bad habits. Think about it this way: without a destination in mind, how will you know which path to take? But setting goals isn't just about deciding on an endpoint, it's about crafting a roadmap for how to get there. Goals need to be clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. You see, when your goals are vague or too ambitious, it's easy to lose sight of them. But when they're specific and realistic, they provide a clear path to follow. Remember, setting clear goals isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Each step you take brings you closer to breaking your bad habits. A goal without a plan is just a wish, so set your goals and work on them. Almost at the top with hack number 2, understanding the root cause. Let's delve into it. Grasping the root cause of a bad habit is like finding the key to a locked door. Behind that door lies the power to change. Each habit we have, good or bad, has a reason. It's not random. It's a solution to a problem, a way to cope with stress, or a route to pleasure. It's crucial to identify and understand this reason before attempting to change the habit. Why? Because when you know the why, you can find alternative solutions. If your bad habit is a response to stress, find healthier stress relievers. If it's a way to find pleasure, seek out alternative sources of joy. Unravel the threads of your habit and you'll find the root cause, which you can then address directly. Remember, to change a habit, you must first understand why it exists. And finally, at number 1 is consistency and persistence. In the quest to break bad habits, consistency and persistence are the secret ingredients to success. They are the pillars that hold up the entire structure of your new, healthier lifestyle. Changing habits isn't about making a massive, immediate transformation. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards your goal. Imagine you're chipping away at a giant block of marble. Each strike may seem insignificant, but over time you're sculpting a masterpiece. Similarly, each day you resist your bad habit or reinforce a good one, you're chipping away at that marble block, shaping your life into the masterpiece you envision. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. You might stumble or fall, but it's the getting back up and persisting that matters. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They're not failures, but lessons. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Consistency is key. Keep going even when it gets tough. And there you have it, 10 hacks to help you break your bad habits. Let's quickly recap. Visualization, the art of seeing your future self. positive reinforcement, rewarding yourself for every small victory. Mindfulness and meditation, being present and aware of your actions. Replacing bad habits with good ones, a clever trick to trick your brain. Self-talk, because sometimes you are your best motivator. Accountability, because a little social pressure can go a long way. Habit tracking, because what gets measured gets managed. Setting clear goals, because knowing where you want to go is half the battle. Understanding the root cause, because you can't fix what you don't understand. And lastly, consistency and persistence, because Rome wasn't built in a day. Remember, the power to change lies within you. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more self-improvement tips. Until next time, stay positive and keep improving.